Okay, thank you very much for confirming that. So basically today's webinar, as I have mentioned already, that a very common question I hear that means I don't want to somebody saying can you make me presenter? What do you want to present actually? So basically many people say that what is your track record? Okay, now the thing is, this is a very common question, and many members may not want to join today's meeting because they are already members. But the thing is, it's not about what is my track record. I want to say it is good, bad, or whatever. Just ask this question: do you ever go to a person selling something saying that is your item good or bad? Obviously, a foolish person will only say my item is bad. Everybody will say good. This question is we never ask in any to any person like that, but in technical analysis, I mean, come on, I have a Privolti free channel. You go and see whether which are correct or wrong. I have not deleted anything. Why to ask me? But if so many people are asking, so I want to validate or go through all the correct prediction, and especially wrong predictions. Yeah, I have not shared my screen, so I will share my screen. Correct. So where is my, yeah, let me know if my screen is visible. Screen is visible. Okay, yeah. So since many people have asked me this question, what is your track record? I mean, it is your job to see my track record, but I will go through today. Many of the predictions are in Nifty. I would say in Nifty. Whether it is correct or wrong, I don't care. I'm not the kind of guy who will delete the old wrong predictions. I'm very transparent, because when I entered the market, I found like 99% of the analysts are very good in deleting the old predictions, the wrong predictions especially. They are expert in that one. So I'm strictly against that, and I would go through all the predictions. So if somebody don't have time, can think twice about this. But since this question comes up every now and then, so I want to go through myself, although it is not my job to access myself, it is others. But anyway, this channel was created on Monday, December 12th, the Privolti free channel, which anybody can scroll up and see. Okay, in that one, initially when I started posting something because I didn't have enough posts to put across. I posted some US stock, some simply I did some analysis there, but I would like to focus mainly on the Nifty, because I was tracking Nifty from that time till now. Okay, I think we have exceeded the limit of 50 members. Okay, so see, basically, if I'm just opening the chart of Nifty also, can you please confirm if you are able to see the Nifty chart? I mean, if it is visible. Okay, thank you. So you can see here, right? 12th, what is that? 13th December. This is 13th December, and this was created on 12th, 12th December, 5:06 p.m. So this was end of 12th. So 13th starts. 13th starts from here. Behind of this red line, already over. We starts from here, and I would like to cover all the correct and wrong predictions. And it is for you to judge whether whether this is okay, this is not okay, or whatever. And I'm going to judge only based on Nifty. I'm only going to discuss based on Nifty. Okay. So and then finally, if I have some time, then we'll quickly revise through the yesterday's things what we discussed in the last webinar. Okay. So on you can see this date, right? December 12th. So if you scroll through PM in the night, I predicted Nifty levels for the bulls was 8264. Shared with several of my friends, it fell almost there. Okay, that was a earlier prediction. Okay, now what is the next prediction I made? today it made a low of 8154.45, which is the level from where it can surely move up to 8214, 8228. So this is where I'm making a prediction for the future. What I said at 7:24 p.m. 12th December, right? 12th December night, I said that today this blah 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 this happened. It can now move up to 8214, 8228. Now see this. Let me make it a little bit big. Okay. This was previously. I said it can now go up. Now just imagine that you don't have this chart. You don't know what happened here. Let's mark it as black. You don't know what is going to happen. It was coming down like anything, right? It had no chance of going up before this red line. What I said is, I even used the word surely. Okay. It can surely move up to 8214, 8228. Now mark these two lines, 8214, 8228. Okay. Let me mark this. Just I will mark this 8214, 8214 and 8228. 822. Where is my 8228? Almost 8228. Yeah. So I will remove this box for a second. So I said, when we were here, we didn't know what will happen. I said, from here, it can surely move up to these two levels. Just see the precision of this one. Okay. These levels. Okay. The move could be mostly corrective, and yes, and if it is a corrective move, again a fall can happen. See this, the move can be corrective, and from these levels again a fall can happen, and exactly the same thing happened, right? If you don't believe, see this. We are on 12 December, Monday and night, 7:24 p.m. I mean, if I want to edit also, I cannot edit the time, right? So this is the prediction. Okay, it's somebody called Shah Rukh Khan is saying to talk in Hindi. Okay. So this is one prediction. Okay, I have to go through quickly. There are so many. Okay, and I will cover the wrong ones also. So all these things is nothing to do with Nifty. I posted some stocks, this and that, and then comes this. Nifty goes up as predicted. So what is the date now? Date is 13 December. Okay, we are on 13 December now. Fine. 1:40 p.m. Nifty goes up as predicted. However, remember that selling pressure seems to be there at 8214 levels. 8214 is this line. And selling pressure I am seeing from here. 13th is not over. 1:40 p.m. I am saying that selling pressure is there, although it has not started falling. It has no signs of falling here, but I am sensing that there is selling pressure here. Okay, only wave can tell the future. Remember this. Okay, I am showing you. 8214 is hit. Okay, 8214, this line gets hit. Fair enough. Careful traders should jump off the bullish boat and watch their action settle down, right? Okay. I have booked profit here, almost at the very top. Although the target which I have mentioned 8228, that was exactly the top actually. So that's what I keep saying. Knowing the top is very important, but we may not be booking profit exactly at the top. Even if we book little bit ahead also, that is fine, right? So we booked profit earlier. Okay, fair enough. And then I posted some screenshot. Okay. Now comes to the same day, 13th. Okay. In the night, Nifty opened at this and declined. So I was doing some analysis. Okay. So I said that next thing, let's see the next prediction. Okay. Okay. So no sound. Somebody is saying no sound. Can I just check? Can you please check if the audio is coming? Can you please type a yes or no? Okay. Thanks a lot. At least one person is able to hear, means it is audible. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay, whoever not able to hear, Please check your speakers. Okay. This is the most honest analysis you can find. So what I said later on is, if you are thinking of selling Nifty at around 8249, your stops should be just above the recent high of 8275. Fine. Where is our 8275? 828275. Let's say 75. Okay. Stop should be just above. Okay. Fine. If you are thinking of selling Nifty at around 8249, so let me draw this line, 8249. If I was expecting Nifty can come here and fall, okay, can come and fall, and if it comes, then stop loss should be just above this. Okay, fair enough. Your stop should be just above the recent high of 8275, which is a very okay, fine. The target of the selling should be breaking the low of 8153. Fine. Where is our 8153? Breaking the low of 8153. This is the low. So I was expecting, when Nifty was here, I was expecting little more upside, and whatever may be the upside or downside, it should be, stop loss should be just above this line, right? 8275. And target I mentioned, this should break. So at least this target, this should be the target, this line. Okay, fine. Then I mentioned something about Elliott wave, something. Okay. Next day comes. So mind you, this is December 13th. This was December 13th in the night. Okay. December 14th. Okay. December 14th, I am covering only Nifty, remember. Okay. We'll be interested in, okay. No. This is not Nifty. This is not Nifty. Okay. See the timing. Okay, let me, yeah, this is the Nifty. Okay, the fall I was expecting finally happened. The level was yesterday's second target. Whoever kept their stops at 8275 would have got good profits. Now remember this one, I was expecting little more upside, but that didn't happen. Instead, it came max to the previous target of December 13th. This, and exactly fell from here. If whoever would have kept their stop losses just above this would have gained. If somebody would have waited for this level to come and short, that didn't happen. That is the most honest analysis I can tell you. Okay. So sometimes analysis is correct, but somebody might have missed this selling. Somebody would have said that, okay, I will keep the stops here as mentioned, and I will simply sell now. If it goes little bit up, I will sell even one more lot. That depends. In the live market, nobody can guarantee, but the thing is, we don't get a huge loss. That is the main criteria. Okay. Now, now what happened is, careful traders can book profits. What is the time? 1:11 of December 14th. Okay, told to book profits. So in between this day, December 14th, you can see this date here. As I'm making the slider move, December 14th is the date. Okay. Somewhere in this date, I said to book profits at I didn't mention the time. Careful traders can book profits. Okay. 1:11. I didn't say time. Means immediately at this time you book profits and wait for prices to settle down further. Okay. Next is 146 update. Oh no, Nifty bounce back. Somebody might have got shocked why it bounced up, but we booked the profits before only. Somewhere around here, I booked the profits. Okay, then it got a bounce. Okay. And now it is very difficult for me to say which time actually, because this time zone sometimes is not matching. There is a difference of 15 minutes, I think, in TradingView versus IST time. So this chart should help us. So 11:13, okay, 1:13. At this point, I said, I didn't say the price, remember, I said the time. 1:11, you book the profit. 1:11 means if you draw a horizontal crossbar here, this is the time when I said book profit. And after that only it bounced off. Means I was selling, if somebody was selling from here, as I mentioned, you should be selling somewhere around here or little bit more, you sell more or something and put a stop loss above this. Then I had a target here. Remember, I said it will break the low of this, but in the meantime, in the middle of the day, 1:11 p.m., I said book profits now. Okay, 1:11, right? 1:11. This is the line. This is the vertical line. There was no sign of reversal, right? But Elliott wave indicated that there could be a reversal now, and prices started moving up. And remember, this is in live market. This is not some Elliott wave report which I created at the night or something. That is in live market. That is in live market. 1:11 p.m. That is in the live market. Careful traders can book profits. Okay, fine. Okay, let me mute everyone. Let me take a moment to ask people if my voice is visible and the screen is visible. My voice is audible and screen is visible. Okay, thank you. So next, okay, next is 9:29 p.m. on the same day. That is 14th. Nifty update expecting a move down to 81088086. Stops should be around 8231. Expecting a move to 8108. 8108, okay, and 8086. Let me move these things now. 8086. Okay, fine. Now I am expecting a move down to here. Fine. On 14th night, 9:30, around 9:30. Okay. Around 8171, 8160, prices may get temporary support and go up only to meet selling pressure. Okay. Around 8171, 8160. Let me draw this. 8171, 8160. 8171. And 8160. Okay, just see when I put these lines, this after that this day was over, this portion was over, 14th is gone. Let me draw a line here. What is the starting of 15th? 15th is this. If you see the bottom, right, I am moving my cursor here. 15 starts from here. Okay, this just before this was 15. This is 14. Till now, till here we are on 14. This is 15. Okay, I was expecting a move here, and I was also thinking it can bounce from these two levels. Okay, fine. Just to be safe, in case there is a gap up opening tomorrow and prices skip 8215 up, better not thinking of selling and let prices settle. See, I can see already 7 people have left. Nobody wants to verify the past prediction. Everybody wants to sell, put their money without thinking anything. That is the general, and that is what we should not do. Before putting our money, we should verify each and every prediction made, whether any prediction could have made a huge loss to blow away one's account. Nobody cares for that. That's why only 5% people make money in the market. Okay, anyway, so this webinar is for that only. I previously only mentioned, if somebody is not interested, may not join, but this is my honest this thing analysis. Okay, just to be safe, in case there is a gap up opening tomorrow and prices skip, if so, I'm expecting if there is a gap up opening tomorrow and prices skip 8215 up, prices break 8215 up, 8215. Okay, this level, if this is broken, okay, better not think of selling and let prices settle. So when we were before this, right, when we were on the left side of this vertical line, I was thinking, if tomorrow there is a gap up and this in the gap up only skips this line. Okay, gap up only skips this line, that better not think of selling. Okay, fine. and let prices settle 8214, 8215 is the level which prices should respect as resistance. 8214, 8215. So this is the 8215 actually. 15, yeah. This should respect. This should not be broken. Fair enough. Okay. Next day, December 15th, when I posted the possibility of Nifty to go to 8108, 8086. This is the levels I was expecting. Remember 8018 or 6 and 8086. Okay. Singapore Nifty was flat, unchanged, and now saw this. Now Singapore Nifty was down by quite some points and it was going in the correct direction. Okay. So I posted something not regarding Nifty. Okay. That, remember, now we are in which day? December 15th. Fine. 8 okay, December 15th, 10:13 a.m. As per yesterday night Nifty update, I was expecting a move down to 8108. Remember, I was expecting a move down to here, these levels. Today Nifty opened at 8128. 8128 was Nifty open. This you can see the small mark here, small mark. This is the opening of the day. So the day opened only here, right? The next day I was saying, the previous day when I was analyzing for the next day, I was thinking Nifty would go down to hit these levels. Okay, but Nifty opened this level only. Now just imagine if you have a target of here 8216 or 8218, sorry, 8108 or 06. Will you sell for this much small points of how much profit? Not even 20 points. It's like 15 points. You would not do that. So it opened a huge gap down. If it would have opened here, then we could have thought of selling. So okay, it opened today. Nifty opened at 8128 for just 20 points. There was no need to sell, considering the fact that there was support at 8108. Okay, fine. So it opened here, so there was no question of selling Nifty for just 15 points. Not even 15 points, I think 14 points. Okay. So that so we are in December 15th, and next prediction, Nifty update. Keeping a stop loss of 8098, one can expect Nifty to retest today's highs of 8225 or even higher, but never beyond this. Supports are at this. Key safe strategy in live market. Tomorrow, if you see market gap down below 8117, tomorrow means December 16th, for December 16th, okay. If you see market gap down below 8117, below 8117, let me redraw 8117. Okay. If you see gap down below this, if this level gap down happens, okay, then better be cautious and wait for initial few minutes to see if prices bounce off and maintain strength in expected up direction. Okay, fine. So December 16th at the end of the day, December 16th at the end of the day, best is to exit any long position. Okay, remember we are in December 16th. December 16th. Let me move this. And we are at the end of the day. December 16th. We are near to the end of the day. Here. Okay. So I said December 16th, today's best is to exit any long position if it breaks above 8160. 8160. If it breaks above this one, this line, then I will reanalyze the waves without taking about taking any long position. So I said exit long positions here. Although it started to go up, but I said exit long positions here. If it breaks above this 8160, actually 8160, I will realize the waves about taking any long positions. So I did not carry the long positions on that day. Okay, fine. And after that you can see it didn't cross this line and fell down. Okay, fine. So so let's evaluate what really happened. Tomorrow, if you see, let me again read. If you see market gap down below 8117, gap down didn't happen, fair enough. Then better be cautious and wait for okay. So basically, I didn't say to buy or sell, but I said there is supports are at 8138, 8132, 8117. 8117, then 8132, 8138. 8132 and 8138. Okay, so I didn't mention to buy or sell, but I said these are the supports. If somebody would have gone long, then you exit the positions, exit the long position. That's what I said at the end of the day. Okay, so if somebody keeping this mind in support, if somebody would have bought here, exit before this one, before this end of the day, 16. Okay, somebody is saying no audio. Okay, could you please somebody is saying Hindi, talk in Hindi. So actually, it's not that I don't know Hindi, but actually I'm not a Hindi native speaker. और हिंदी में बात करेंगे तो बहुत सारे लोगों को समझ में नहीं आएगा. Like most people from the southern part of India, जो लोग साउथ इंडिया में रहते हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को हिंदी नहीं मालूम है, तो इस कारण मैं बोलना नहीं चाहता, और मेरा एक्सेंट भी थोड़ा सा वियर्ड है, सो मैं नहीं बोलना चाहता, सो सॉरी फॉर दैट. सो नो, जो मैं बोल रहा हूं वो बेसिकली ये है कि हर एक आपको पैसा डालने से पहले तो जांच करना चाहिए ना कि कोई भी एनालिस्ट का प्रेडिक्शन सही हुआ है कि गलत हुआ है पहले. सो वो तो मेरा काम नहीं हो सकता. कोई कोई किसी को भी जाके कोई भी कुछ चीज बेच रहा है, उसको जाके अगर आप पूछेंगे कि वो चीज कैसा है, वो तो अच्छा ही बोलेगा ना. कभी वो बोलेगा कि नहीं नहीं मेरा सब्जी खराब है, आप किसी और से ले लीजिए. ये तो आपका काम है जांच करना. एनीवे, सो वो तो आप जांच कीजिए. मेरा पास्ट प्रेडिक्शन वही मैं जा रहा था, और आज तो ऑलमोस्ट खत्म हो गया. मैं 2 मिनट बाकी है. ओके, so yeah, so basically only 2 minutes left. Doesn't make sense to continue this further. So what I'm saying is, you go through all my past predictions, and not only me, whoever analyst is there, whose analysis you want to service you want to take, or you want to attend a training session or anything, it is your responsibility to go and each and every prediction, and first of all make sure he's not deleting his old wrong predictions, and go through each and every, and you decide that if I take his services, is there a chance I can totally blow up the account? Means some stop loss was there 100 points, 200 points, 300 points, and he was like saying, oh don't worry, the stop loss hit, but don't worry, keep holding the position. पोजीशन को होल्ड कीजिए, मैं हूं ना, मैं आपको संभाल लूंगा. बट फाइनली ही विल नॉट बी देयर व्हेन योर fat stop loss is huge, and only he will create a new profile and he will run away somewhere. So you have to judge whether you are okay with this track record or you need something better, something. So I am just trying in this webinar to go through each and every point. You should put a nifty chart here and go through each and every prediction like that. Okay, and make sure profits is fine. Make sure there were no big huge losing trades which could have given a big shock to your what is that? Not deleting is important. Many testimonial images sheets are manipulated. Yeah, very easy to manipulate. I had put a link in the Privolti Facebook Telegram channel also. The people who are using Next Terminal, right? They will take a screenshot and edit that one. That is a very common trick anybody can do. So this you have to closely observe anyone. If somebody is deleting, that is the thing. They will delete the things, and of course posting fake things. So you go through each one. Okay, I have kept this one open also in. I will just okay. This is already exceeded the time. Okay, I had a lot of means I could have gone on forever for seeing all the all my predictions, how much maximum loss you could have encountered in a single trade. I think not more than 30 points in a single trade till now. So anyway, thanks a lot for joining this webinar. This may not be appealing to many people who have already gone through the post, but I encourage everyone to go through and make sure you are judging somebody who is not deleting the old. That is the thing. Otherwise, see, if I am competing to be a good analyst, and I am competing against another analyst who is deleting his old prediction, I cannot compete with that person, right? Because I am competing honestly, somebody is competing dishonestly. Of course, he will be better in front of others, right? So anyway, thanks a lot for joining this Sunday, and I really appreciate your time, and I wish you continue in this way to judge anyone, and catch you in the next webinar about Elliott wave trading. No more marketing for for Privolti or something. We will not talk about Privolti predictions anymore, but this was required because many people told me. So okay, thanks a lot, and good night.